Hello everyone, we are Group 5. Today we will talk about the relationship between climate change, sustainability, and big history by using the concept of a tree. In this tree, the shoot represents big history concepts, providing us the fundamental knowledge background about interactions between sustainability and climate changes. These two elements will be the tree crown, which the idea will be expanded infinitely, just like the trees is ever growing under photosynthesis. Sustainability is defined as the ability to endure. Commonly to say is the sustainable development, which means meeting the needs of this generation without sacrificing the chance of the future generation's development, in balance of social, environment, and economic perspectives. Climate changes is the average changes of weather in 30 years. What we focus now is the accelerated rate of climate change after the agricultural development by human, which starts from 1,000 years ago.
Let's talk about the general concepts of big history first. We will state 5 main concepts in our posters. First, change is inevitable and constant. What matters is how we change and react when facing the climate change. Imagine your family needs to immigrate into a polar region. What will you do? Just wear something as same as that in Hong Kong? Is that enough? You will probably wear thicker clothes to avoid yourself from getting cold or even die. It is a typical example of how you change your behavior with changing environments. Facing climate change with increasing temperature and rising sea level, what will you choose? Stay the same or change and shift to sustainable lifestyle?
Second, the more complex the system is, the more fragile it will be. We, as the most complex system available currently, seek for high quality of life, family relationships, capital power, food, and water. We cannot live or survive without one of those elements. With limited resources available in the earth, can we just stay the same? Furthermore, climate change is a complicated problem, which leads to involve experts from multidisciplinary, ranging from different educational backgrounds and groups, to slow down the rate of accelerating surface temperature. Not only do the scientists need to find the reason behind, the government and business parties should also be hands in hands.
Also, we can understand climate change through scientific consensus, the composition of scientific method and consensus. Multiple studies published in peer-reviewed scientific journals show that more than 97% climate scientists agree climate warming trends are extremely likely due to human activities, while the involvement of humans is the catalyst to climate changes, and the changes are undeniably coming. So, what can we do? By collective learning, we can preserve information and share it with one another and passing it to the next generation. Learning from the case of Easter Island, excessive exploitation of natural resources for building community led to large-scale famine, civil war, and resulted in extinction. Should we learn from its failure and start to develop sustainability? After all, we want you to know that climate change is damaging us, but with cooperation, we can adapt it.
Hope you all can increase your interest and understanding towards the 3 elements we have mentioned: sustainability, climate change, and big history after listening our presentations. Thank you.